Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Nature's Healing Kitchen, and I am Juliet Oriri. Today in this video I want to introduce the idea of the sneaky chef. My mission is to make your meals irresistibly healthy, whether it's a smoothie, whether it's a porridge, whether you eating your rice or you like swallow. I want to improve it to make it more healthy. So that is the agenda of this sneaky chef. So as you watch the video and we continue the series, we are going to learn how we can all be sneaky chefs. Either you are a parent or you are a caregiver. So doing this will help to improve our health and make us to stay well. So initially when I have the idea, I thought I was going to only serve those people that are fussy eaters, that don't really want to see or eat their salads. You present a meal and they might eat the rice, remove the leaves, we call them leaves, or food, soup, they can remove the veggies and you just eat the carb or the protein in it. So that is what I thought, and some of our elderly parents that don't want to actually see this to eat. They call them the grass. Am I a goat that will be eating grass? You must have heard this from some of us because they were not brought up with that. So I thought that we will only serve those population, but as I go into it, I saw that even me is helping me, and it's helping me to incorporate more veggies into my food. Just imagine we like to swallow maybe once in a day, and just imagine if you can improve that swallow and put more veggies in it. This is what I've done with broccoli and spinach to make a swallow, green swallow. I've also done pancakes, putting carrots or using only carrots to make a wrap. So these are ways that we can actually improve upon our diet. You know, you are what you eat, isn't it? And we cannot be otherwise. So we can eat our food as medicine, just as Dr. Hippocrates told us, let your food be medicine and let medicine be your food. By the time we all incorporate more fruits and more vegetables into our meals, our everyday meal, we will see how healthy we are going to look. And health is wealth. Health is our first asset that we have, in first and best asset that we can use, that we have in this life. It's not actually important, but it's vital for us to eat well, because that helps us to develop our own immunity to diseases or infections. So join me in this series as we go along, and you are going to learn a lot, improve your diet and your family, and also to the community, and we all have a healthier nation. So join me in this series, watch this video, comment, like and share to your loved ones to take part in this sneaky chef idea. And before you know, we're all going to be all sneaky and healthier. Imagine having a pizza that is low on carbs and high in taste, or a snack like a puff, muffins, and will have veggies or fruit incorporated in them, that they will eat it. Even fussy eater, picky eaters can even take it and eat it without having the idea that there are veggies in it. And at the end of the day, we have got our goal met, to feed someone healthily. We know there's a rise of food-related diseases in our time, either from malnutrition or the eating, or even the malnutrition of overeating some of this food or carbs. So for those that those that are looking to watch their weight, or is it height we are watching now? Maybe watching your height, it will be good for you, because incorporating these veggies, these plants, will make the portion of your carb to be reduced. Is that not all we are looking for? A weight that are above 40s. Is that not what we are looking for? So it will be of a greater help to those that are having issues with blood sugar. Incorporating more fibers into your food can help in managing your blood sugar level. So it's going to be a very good adventure that will help your health as well. And to those that are having difficulty in going, maybe 2 days, 3 days, they don't go because of maybe little or no fibers in their everyday diet. So this will also help them to go more normally, because it is gut friendly. And behold, veggies, they are prebiotics, and they help your gut flora. They will ever be thankful to you, and turn yuck into yum with every bite, because healthy eating does not have to be a chore. It is an adventure. So let's go and explore and improve our health. See you in the next video.